What to pack if you were going to go to Europe in the autumn? What to pack for autumn in Europe? What to pack for 7 days in Europe or the UK if you were travelling to the UK or Europe for an autumn vacation? What are you going to pack?
About to leave, already packing, come with me.
So I packed my bags to travel to Europe, and in my case it's Suffolk in the UK. To get here I have worn the jeans that you're going to see coming up, and I have just put on a t-shirt, a black cardigan because it will be useful while I'm here, and I wore sneakers to get here, trainers to get here, black trainers because I'm going to use them a lot while I'm here. So basically travelled in very comfortable clothes that I can actually utilise. So if I was going to go away for a weekend I would just take 2 pairs of trousers, but going away for 7 days or more I would take a variety of trousers. I would take some chinos, these are navy ones, olive cargo pants, white jeans, and I would take denim jeans for day wear. To that I would add a variety of t-shirts that will mix and match in there. For day wear, for casual, for sightseeing, for walking, for going to a farm. So for instance, this is how I'm wearing the chinos. For a bit of sightseeing, with a t-shirt, a jacket, my little tote, sneakers.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
But don't wear t-shirts to coordinate with navy, olive, denim and white would be a variety of t-shirts you just happen to have. In my case, it's white with design on, another grey with a design on, and a few striped t-shirts and a camo t-shirt because I just want a bit of interest while I'm out sightseeing, just a bit of interest on the top half of me. So a few statement in a way, casual statement-y t-shirts. Then I'd have some plain ones as well, plain navy, plain black and plain white. And I'll throw in a couple of long-sleeved t-shirts as well for warmth because you just don't know what the weather's going to be. In autumn in Europe you can get it hot, you can get it cold. You just want to be able to mix and match and coordinate and have the right mix of temperature clothes as well as the right colours that go together. For evening I would take a couple of blouses that I could wear with white jeans or denim jeans. So one's navy and one's green. Or a midi dress, which you could wear. And that's a standalone item then, quite versatile, the midi dress. I'd also take an oversized shirt because you can do so many things with this. You can use it as a layering item on top of t-shirts, or you could use it as your top anyway. And then you could also tie it, or you could, do a front tie with it. You could do a half tuck, you could do a full tuck, you could do a front tuck. There is just so much you can do with an oversized shirt, so very versatile. Definitely pack an oversized shirt. Now of course I'm going to need something over the top to keep warm, so I would take a cardigan that would go with all of the trousers and most of the tops as well. Lighter weight jacket, one in green, will go with a variety of the items, and I would take a neutral. Yeah, this is an ivory, a linen jacket. I would take that too, a linen jacket. Nice and neutral, go with a lot of the items I've got here. I'd also want to have a few denim-y type neutral outerwear items, so I'd have a shirt, denim shirt and a denim jacket, or one or the other, but both of those are items that are very good for layering. They could both be worn as jackets and they're really neutrals, so a handy item to have, either a denim shirt or a denim jacket, or both if your packing will take it. In early autumn I would find a pair of thin evening-y trousers useful. Black, neutral, useful, can be worn with, these can be worn with blouses, can be worn with t-shirts, and you could dress up with a black jacket, say a smart black jacket, or dress down, say with a moto. So jackets like these are useful as well, and some smarter black trousers. If it's warm, a day dress, a very summery day dress, just because you might just be hit by a heat wave. You absolutely never know. In Europe, it could be hot in September. Summer dress. You know, to wear sandals, because it can be warm in the autumn in Europe and in the UK. So a day dress. For the sort of activities that we do, I would be wearing trainers a lot for walking around, black ones and white ones, and these will also go then with midi skirts and midi dresses and with smart trousers too, because it's modern way of wearing those now with white trainers. So not only are they practical, but they will also look stylish as well. Same with the black ones too, to be honest. For bags, I would be tempted to use a bag that I know I'd wear that time of year, and this is a sort of a basic camel coloured bag, which is quite neutral. A black one, and a tote, a neutral tote, black and beige. So those would go with much of these items of clothing. Right, to get it into a suitcase now, let's see if that can be done. How I would actually pack this is by putting colour themes into the packing cubes. So as I am actually, that'll make it easy to get dressed, to know that actually in a packing cube I've got trousers, tops and cardigans or jackets that actually mix and match, go well together. So that's how I would plan to pack.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.